We know we're just in case.
It's recording.
Ready?
Ah! That's good.
Let me too.
Now you have yolk all over your face.
Okay, and she gets a Twix bar and her head is in the
Why'd
like
she
that.
break out like
You're
everywhere or
ruining
something?
a perfectly
Over
good
her
egg.
forehead.
Get it all.
What's the color?
You're not allergic to eggs, are you?
No.
Okay.
Caitlin is hard-headed.
Duh.
And
Oh my goodness. And then look at her head. Sweet! Crayons.
crayons.
How'd you do that? That's
I knew
cool.
there was something weird. Yeah, I know it wasn't.
Yeah, it sounded like a dysfunction.
Alright. Now you guys can figure it out.
Are we finished?
They're crowns.
I think
Do I get to
so.
play with the crayons? Sister's a pie. Did you lie to her?
Well, what are those
Yes, she
Twix?
did.
I said
Are
you get
the
this.
crayons
You said-
or
you
the
said
crayons?
Twix
Oh,
bar.
see, I'm supposed to say this.
The crowns.
They're
Crowns.
They're crowns.
Crowns.
Alright.
Crowns.
We're
Not crayons. Crowns.
Alright.
Crowns. That